Hello guys, last video we talked about how to create the topic to act as a dialogue in Power Virtual Agents. This video we are focusing on how to return the value from the topic. So here we have created the name, variable name called name. The usage you can see, the topic limited scope. If limited scope, the variable only available within this topic. Here you can choose the scope. You want to return the value or receive value from other topic. At the moment, I'm going to return the value, so I can select this option, return value to the original topic. There is another one, global. If you use global, you can access this variable within the bot or within this project. Go to the topic. We are invoke this topic from the conversation start. So here you noticed I assigned the name as a return value. So the automatically output is coming here. You can store into your any variable name. Let's say I'm going to create the new variable. Click this one. So user form or like username. Save. Oh, it's not changed. Username. Save. Here, hello. I can insert the variable name here. So go to the insert variable, select the variable. How are you? Save. So I go back to my topic. No need to print this information. So I can just remove it. Save. Restart the topic. Just enter. My name is Vinod. Here you noticed the value get written. So we are capturing into this conversation start. So here we are capturing the capture value assigned to the username. From there, we can just print hello username, how are you?